In this video, I'll guide you through how to stream Steam games from your PC to your laptop. Steam Remote Play lets you stream games from your gaming PC to another device, allowing you to play your Steam library without installing the games again. To get started, open Steam on your PC, click Steam in the top left corner, and select Settings. Then click Remote Play, and make sure Enable Remote Play is turned on. You can also adjust the advanced host options if you'd like. Next, open Steam on your laptop and sign in using the same Steam account. Go to the Remote Play settings and make sure the feature is enabled there as well. For the best experience, both your PC and laptop should be connected to the same local network. Once everything is set up, open your Steam library on the laptop. Your gaming PC should appear as an available device. Select it, choose the game you want to play, and click Stream to start playing. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up Steam Remote Play and can now stream your games from your PC to your laptop.